Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing the Temu blue light glasses. Now, of course, these are great popular glasses that you've probably heard of. They're great for blocking UV light from entering your eyes to protect your eyes from fatigue due to computer, TV, phones, and gaming consoles. As you can see here, it has for a low price of 433 Pakistani rupees. It has a great rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars, and it has three colors all in one size. It has white, black, and gray. As you can see here, we're going down further into the review section, and there seem to be a lot of high quality, good reviews for this product, and very few bad reviews for this product. In my eyes, this is a great product to use as it will protect your eyes from terrible usage against screens, and it will go ahead and provide comfort and protection for your eyes. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.